Hello everyone, welcome to my channel study lecture. Today we see some important question about COVID-19. देखिए फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, नेम द वैक्सीन दैट इज जॉइंटली डेवलप्ड बाय द जर्मनी कंपनी बायोटेक एंड यूएस फार्माजी एंड फिजर फॉर COVID-19. The right answer BNT162. Now see about BNT162. It is jointly developed by the German company BioNTech and US Pharmagy and Pfizer. It is a group of 4 potential vaccines based on the messenger RNA or mRNA concept. On the other hand, Picovax is an inactivated vaccine developed by the private biopharma company Sinovac. These vaccines are in clinical trial phase. Next question, name a clinical trial in which blood is transfused from recovered COVID-19 patient to coronavirus patient who is in critical condition. The right answer, plasma therapy. Plasma therapy is a clinical trial in which blood is transfused from recovered COVID-19 patient to a coronavirus patient who is in critical condition. Next question, how does coronavirus transmit? When a person sneezes or coughs, droplets spreads in the air or falls on the ground and nearby the surface, or if another person is nearby and inhales the droplets or touches the surface and further touches his face, eyes or mouth, he or she can get an infection, or if the distance is less than 1 meter from the infection person. So the right answer is all the above are correct. Next question, what happens to a person suffering from COVID-19? A person who develops COVID-19, majority of the people does not require treatment and will recover on their own. A small proportion may need hospitalization and very small proportion who are underlying chronic illness may needed to be admitted in an ICU. Next question, in which age group the COVID-19 spread? COVID-19 occurs in all the age groups, but according to AIMS, the infection of coronavirus is mild in children. Persons are at risk who are old and a person suffering from some medical condition like high blood pressure, cancer, lung disease, diabetes and heart disease. Next question, what is coronavirus? Coronavirus are a large family of virus and belong to a nidovirus family which includes coronaviridae, arteriviridae and roniviridae. Next question, World Health Organization on 11 February 2020 announced an official name for the disease that is causing the 2019 novel coronavirus outbreak. What is the new name of the disease? The right answer, COVID-19. Next question, the first case of novel coronavirus was identified in Wuhan, Hubei in China. Next question, which of the following diseases are related to coronavirus? The right answer, MERS and SARS. Coronavirus may cause illness from the common cold to more other serious disease like Middle East respiratory syndrome, that is MERS-CoV, and severe acute respiratory syndrome, that is SARS-CoV. Next question, mild symptoms of novel coronavirus are fever, cough, shortness of breath. People infected with novel coronavirus reported with mild symptoms, namely fever, cough and shortness of breath, whereas other common symptoms may be include runny nose, headache, sore throat and a general feeling of unwell. Next question, from where coronavirus got its name? Right answer, due to their cone-like projection. Due to their cone-like projection on the surface, coronavirus got their name. The virus, a cone when viewed under an electron microscope. Corona in Latin mean halo or crown. Last question, what are the precautions that need to be taken to protect from the coronavirus? The right answer, cover your nose and mouth when sneezing.